Welcome to staraspectdesigns. This week we are looking at a 3-bedroom bungalow. This is a bungalow with a sloping roof. As you can see, it's a sloping roof with 2 disjointed profiles. And the roof that covers the main living spaces is actually higher than the ones for the bedrooms, and the rooms take that profile of that particular roof. This house also has a 1-car garage, which can also be increased to 2. There's no limit there really. And that's the kitchen yard at the back of the house, where you can see the gas gauge and the Dobby sink. That's also the back of the house. And as always, I always advocate for the golden ratio. So when you're using materials for the external look, we should limit it to at least a palette of 3. That's the side of the house. In this section, it's the bedrooms. This main window here is the master bedroom, and it's a corner window which brings in a lot of light. So there you have the entrance right here. So out here there's a small porch, a sitting place. And then once you enter the house, that is what you see. Now, as always, I'd like to go through the whole plan first. As you can see, once you enter, you get that storage space there, the entry foyer, where you can put shoes and hang your coats and bags. So let's look at the plan in totality before we go into the individual rooms. Okay, so this is the entry. That's the porch. That's the entry foyer. Once you enter, you turn this way to the main living spaces. So you have the lounge there, and then you have the dining room there. And off here, you have a 1-car garage that I stated you can increase to a 2-car garage. There's no limit if you have the land. And this door here is from the garage to the house, so that you don't always have to get out through this main door here. And then off here you have the kitchen, and of course the pantry right there. And that door leads outside to the kitchen yard. And then when you go to this corridor here, you have your master there, which is ensuite, with the corner window that I was talking about. And then you go here to one of the bedrooms. That can fit 2 4x6 beds. And as you go further down, you go into this other bedroom here. It also has a corner window with some corner seating. And then this bathroom here is shared between these 2 bedrooms, and also acts as a cloakroom. So that's the plan in totality. That is what you see from the bird's eye view. So let's move into the spaces. So as I stated, you enter, take that corridor, and that is what you see. So this is the living room here. That's your TV wall. Then when you go further, that is the dining room. And the dining room, you then have this sink here. That can be used for washing hands. So it can be used for the people dining, the people in the living room, and also if you come in from the garage, that's the first thing you can do as you enter the house. Then from that particular area, you have the kitchen. So the kitchen, you enter from this particular door here, and then that is what you have, with the pantry off to the side. Then as I stated, that door leads into the kitchen yard. And as always, this gas cooker here has piping to the outside that leads to this gas cage that will house the gas cylinder. And then you have the Dobby sink and the general kitchen yard, which can also be increased. So from this section here, that's the living area. Then you go into the bed spaces. So as I stated, this is the master bedroom. Once you enter, you have your closet space there. Then you have your bed space. And you have your corner window right there with your seating. And then of course you have the bathroom. That is what you have. That's the shower cabin, the toilet, and the sink. And then off here, you get into the other bedroom. So that's the other bedroom here. That, as I stated, occupies fits, 2 4x6 beds. And then you have the closet space right there. Further down is the other bedroom. And as I stated, it also has a corner window with corner seating where you can put a cushion there and sit and read your book. And then these 2 bedrooms share this bathroom here. And also the same bathroom is also used as a cloakroom from the living area to that side. So that is what you have. For any queries, you can contact me on staraspectdesigns@gmail.com. You can leave some comments, let me know what you like about this design, what you would alter on this design to make it better, and let's keep ourselves educated. Please like, share, subscribe, and as always, live large.